Hello everyone and welcome to this Binance tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to convert or sell your cryptocurrency into Fiat. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So make sure to keep watching till the end of this video, since I will be sharing a few very important steps and you definitely do not want to miss out on them. There are two methods you can use to do this, so keep watching to find out which one works best for you. Method 1 is to go over to Wallet and then click Fiat and Spot. I'll be converting my cryptocurrency into euro, since that's the currency my country uses. But no matter which currency you're using, it will work the same for you. Once you're on this page, scroll down to your cryptocurrencies. On the right you can see a section called Action, which gives you multiple choices like buy, deposit, withdrawal and trade. To convert your cryptocurrency into Fiat, click on Trade. Here you will get a list of trades you can make for this cryptocurrency. Some cryptos will have limited amount of pairs. Reserve rights is a good example of that, since it only has 4 pairs. Cardano, on the other side, is a good example of a coin that you can trade in a lot of different pairs. You can scroll down this list and look for the currency your country is using. If the currency you're looking for isn't on the list, you should be using method 2. So once you have found the pair you want to trade, click on it. You will be sent to this page. Here you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency. If you don't know how to properly buy and sell cryptos by placing orders, check out this video. In that video I explain all the different kind of orders and go over the pros and cons all of them have. So if you want to learn how to withdraw your Fiat directly into your bank account, check out this tutorial on how to do that. So if method 1 wasn't working for you, this method will work for you. You need to go to Markets, over in the top left. Here go to Fiat Markets and search the coin you want to convert. I'm going with Algo, so now I have to choose between Algo USDT, Algo BUSD or Algo TUSD. I always go with Algo USDT. Once you've arrived on this page, you can sell your Algo for USDT. I'm not going to sell any cryptocurrencies right now, but make sure you actually sell your cryptos right now. Next up we're going to go to Fiat Markets again. Now you need to type in your local Fiat, so I will be typing in EUR. After your local currency, type USDT or whatever USD you just traded your cryptos for. If you found the correct pair you want to trade, click on Trade. Now you will be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. On this page you can buy your local currency with USDT. As you can see, I'll be paying 120 something USDT for 1 year, so that's what I will be doing. Since I don't want to wait for my order to come through, I'll type a number that's bigger than the price this pair is currently trading for. You could also trade your pair using the market order. That way your order will instantly come through, while you'll still get the best deal available at the time. Now that I've converted my cryptocurrency into the Fiat currency I wanted, I'll go over to my Fiat and Spot page. So I'm going to Wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. As you can see, here I now have my euro available. If you want to learn how to withdraw money from Binance directly to your bank account, check out this video.